Look at this 2006 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. Carfax has certified this Silverado 1500 as having one owner. This Silverado 1500 has just under 125,500 miles. This vehicle gets an estimated 14 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 19 on the highway. This Silverado 1500 boasts a 5.3-liter engine, and has a 4-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include power driver's seat, CD player, tow package, driver airbag and sports seats. Call 800-264-3927 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.